Hello friends, in the series of learning C++ programming, in the previous sessions we have discussed about constants in C++. Before that we have discussed what is variable and how to declare variable in C++. Okay, now in this session I am going to explain tokens in C++. Actually that constant we have learned before this session, that is actually part of token, that is one type of token. But what is exactly token and what are different types of it, that I am going to explain. Now, see, token is the smallest individual unit of a program. Means in every programming language the definition is same. In C again, smallest individual unit of a program is called as a token. Means every individual unit, if you are considering from that program, that will be the token. Then you can say that program is formed or built up of different tokens. Okay, we are grouping different tokens to form a program. Now there are different types of tokens like keywords, then identifiers, constants, strings, then next one is operators. Using these all, our C++ program will get formed. Again we have to use syntaxes, then some white spaces, okay, inside this, and using that we can form a C++ program. Now see, what is keyword? Keyword is a predefined word. Predefined words or reserved word by the languages for some specific purpose are called as keywords. These are predefined words, or you can say that reserved words. Okay, now the next one is identifier. Identifiers are used to identify something in a program. Means if you are giving name to any variable, any array, class. In this C++ we are going to create a class. That is nothing but a user defined data type. To create object we have to first create class, and then only we can create object of that class. Now here whatever name given to class, that we have to give, the programmer has to give name to the class, name to the function, for user defined functions, for user defined classes. Okay, then we have to give names to the variables. Those are called as identifiers. Means programmer defined names are called as identifiers, and the names which are defined by the language itself, those are keywords. Okay, we cannot use keywords as a identifier. Again in depth I am going to explain, don't worry about that. Constants concept we have already seen. Constant is nothing but a whose value cannot be modified during execution of a program. There are multiple types of constants like integer constant, float constant, or you can say that real constant, character constant, string constant. Means the character constants are always enclosed in single quote, then string constants are enclosed in double quotes. Okay, now the next one is strings. Again the same thing is there. We can write strings in a program. Let we are writing the program to display hello world. Okay, inside that cout statement we will write hello world in double quotes. That is nothing but a string. Again we can declare string type variables in C++. Okay, using string class, or you can use here character array just like C programming language. And those are nothing but strings, and here string ends with a null character always, that is a terminator, just like in C language. The same thing is here again. And operators, there are multiple types of operators like arithmetic operators, relational operators. There is a ternary operator concept. Then next one like unary operators, plus plus, minus minus, all those operators we can use in expressions while writing a program. Getting? These are all parts of our C++ program, smallest individual units of our C++ program, and combinedly called as a tokens. Okay, again using these tokens and using some syntaxes, then spaces, we have to write C++ program. Getting? Now again I am repeating here, token is the smallest individual unit of a program. Then keywords. Keywords are predefined words or reserved words by the language. We cannot use those keywords for our own purpose. Identifiers are names given by programmers. Okay, name given by programmer to let variables, or you can say functions. Okay, constants are nothing but whose value cannot be modified during execution of a program. Means we cannot modify its value. The next one is strings, means you can say that whatever enclosed in double quotes, that will be considered as a string. Again, if you can declare string variable and that will be terminated by /0 character, that is nothing but a null character. And operators, like let here we are writing one string example like welcome, this is a string. Then operators means there are multiple types of operators like unary, binary, ternary. From that, arithmetic operators are there like plus, minus, multiply, then divide, modulus, and so on. These are all operators that we can use inside expressions. Okay, that is nothing but a token part. In the next session, we will see that keywords and identifiers concept in depth. Getting? Till that, take care. Bye bye.